In this video, I have here a battery-powered suction cup for picking up like maybe a windshield or any type of metal. I will show it working on a piece of metal here in a minute. This was very innovative. I've never seen anything like this outside like maybe some action movie or something like that. Let me show you how this thing works. So you get some little extra filter pieces right there, a owner's manual. The owner's manual basically just shows how to turn it on and use it. The USB-C cable to charge this thing. It goes in right here in this little port. You see that little port that goes right there. We won't need it because it's fully charged. To turn this thing on, oh, it's from the company Gekeey, maybe what it is. This right here is a pull tab for getting it back up. Let me show you how this works. So I don't know how well, it's not flashing in the camera, by the way. It's just a shutter on there. I've got full battery because I did charge this. I have zero suction right now. Let me grab a piece of metal and bring a piece of metal over here and show you guys how this thing works. I've got a piece of metal right here. Now to pick this thing up, obviously you could grab it on the outsides, but let me show you how this works. So you put that down like that. Let's put it right in the center. Hit the button. Mash down on it. 220 kilograms of pull force on there. Now what I'm going to do is just pick it up and show you carrying it around. Now if you wanted to use this as a shield, you could use it as a shield. Is that not awesome? Look at how solid that is. So let me try to lift it up. I'm going to try to just pull it off of here. I cannot pull that off at all. I'm bending this metal right here, but check out how easily you can pick it up, move it around. Now, if that was like a windshield or a big piece of plywood, now I'm guessing on wood, it'd need to be a very smooth surface. I think you could use it on paneling, very easy, because panelings have a very smooth surface on the front. Maybe even some drywall or something. That'd be great for that, especially if you had two of these things. That'd be awesome. I'd like to try to climb like some glass with two of them. Maybe not recommended, but you know what? It'd be worth giving it a shot. You can hit the button again, nothing happens. Hold the button down. It turns itself off, but the suction's still there. But watch this, just barely pull up. Is that not crazy? How easy that thing works? Turn it back on. Doesn't work at all. Now watch. You're going to press down on it to kind of seal it up right there. Once it starts, it's on there. 220 kilograms, there it is. Try it again. I am bending this metal sign. That is awesome. Once again, to take it off, just lift straight up like that. And you guys see how the suction works right there. Everybody, this is one of the most innovative kind of like battery powered construction tools that I've seen in a while, especially if you're doing any type of glass work, you're installing windows, installing windshields or anything like that. This is something I recommend for you, or just carrying around any type of metal or paneling. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Gekeey battery powered suction cup holder. See you all in the next video.